today's topic is the typical metering and protection single line diagram for outgoing motor feeder. So this outgoing feeder is from 11 kV or 6.6 kV bus. Here this is 52. 52 is the withdrawable or electrical draw type circuit breaker, and these are the circuit breaker status LED lamp indicators: breaker on, breaker off, spring charged, trip circuit, this breaker trip, and trip circuit healthy. These LED indicating lamps will be flush mounted with the medium voltage switchgear panel. Okay, now this is the differential protection CT. This differential protection CT, one side is in the switchgear panel and another side is connected with the motor terminal. So differential CT on motor terminal, from there this signal will come to this 87 differential protection relay. So this is for this particular 87M relay. 87M means differential protection relay for motor protection. So one set of CTs will be connected with this switchgear panel, inside switchgear panel, and another side is from motor terminal. And also please note that this differential relay is required for the motors rated above 1 megawatt or 1000 kilowatt. So this scheme is applicable, particularly this 87M is applicable for the motors, for the motor feeders rated 1 megawatt and above. Okay, now coming to the normal protection CT. So this is protection CT. Suppose 5 feet 20, this accuracy CT accuracy class. So this current signal is connected to the numerical multifunction relay. So what are these functions of this numerical multifunction relay? Or you can see this is the motor protection relay 99 is the motor protection relay. So what are the protective functions available with this multifunction, with this motor protection relay? One is 49 is the thermal overload. 50 LR, that is locked rotor, motor locked rotor condition. This feature is also available. 46, this is current unbalance or to prevent single phasing of the motor. This is 50 phase fault, 50 phase fault, and 50G definite time overcurrent earth fault. So 50 is for phase fault and 50G is for the ground element for the earth fault protection. And below there is the breaker failure and the breaker monitoring functions. So these all functions are available inside a single relay, which is called 99 or the MPR, motor protection relay. So for this we need the current signal. So this current signal is coming from this CT, from this phase side CT. Okay, now this CT, this is the metering CT. This is for the multifunction meter, MFM, digital multifunction meter. So from here 4 to 20 milliampere DC signal is going to the remote panels for the remote interfacing. And also this Modbus RS485 protocol, this is also available to connect with DCS. And this is connected with the bus VT panel as well. Okay, this one is the CBCT or the code balance CT. CBCT is the code balance CT or the zero sequence CT, ZCT you can see. So this is CBCT. So this is also connected with this motor protection relay. This CBCT, if you see generally at side, if you visit a site, you can see this zero CT through this zero CT, that cable, that particular outgoing medium voltage cables will run. So these are located sometimes inside the medium voltage panel itself, or maybe outside the panel, but just below the panel gland plate. But the cables will pass the medium voltage power cables will run through this CBCT for the proper functioning. And last one, this is the surge arrestor. This is surge arrestor. So for the motor feeders, outgoing feeders, these surge arresters may be required as per the project requirement. So in summary, we can say this is the outgoing motor feeder from medium voltage panel. It may be 11 kV or 6.6 kV switch gear, and one circuit breaker is connected. One set of CTs is connected for the 87M differential protection relay. Another set of CTs is for this motor protection multifunctional motor protection relay MPR or 99. So in this 99 there are the feature 49, 50 LR, 46, 50, 50G, and overall breaker monitoring functions. So these features are available. Okay, another metering CT is connected with the MFM, and also zero sequence CT, this is core balance CT is connected to protect the feeder cables. This is also there, and this surge arrestor is optional. If it is required, we need to provide it. So this is the typical scheme for medium voltage outgoing motor feeder.